Amid the clashes between police and protesters in London yesterday, there was one image that stood out.
Patrick Hutchinson.
Patrick Hutchinson.
Patrick Hutchinson.
Patrick Hutchinson.
I'm Patrick Hutchinson, and everything changed for me when my friends and I rescued a far-right protester from the clutches of the BLM demonstrators. The last year's been a whirlwind for me. I've met numerous high-profile people, been on every media outlet the world over. The biggest thing is now having a platform to inspire change. Yeah, I'm here to donate my blood. It's very important to have blood that's matched by blood type as well as ethnically matched blood. So it's so important that we get out there and we donate blood. So the process is really easy. You sit in a lovely relaxing chair. The NHS staff will assist you. You give them your arm. You don't even have to look if you don't want to, and you can just sit there and relax for the next 10 to 15 minutes. It makes me feel quite proud that this is a regular fixture. I have family members going through their own personal issues when it comes to health, and some of them have needed blood transfusions. So, it's really important to me that I, as an individual, donate my blood because I know I can and because I know that I'm helping somebody else who currently needs it.